Whether you work at a desk for the government or out in the open repairing power lines, certain basic skills are key to success on the job. Reading is needed to find and understand the written information that's all around us, on containers, highway signs, manuals, graphs, and schedules. Writing is a basic skill you need too. Even if you're a boat captain, you have to keep written logs of your travels. You might look for a career that allows you to communicate ideas and information in writing, such as becoming an author or public relations specialist. Then there's arithmetic and mathematics. You don't leave that skill behind when you leave school. Highly skilled mathematicians might become accountants and auditors, helping companies keep track of their money. But bakers need math skills too, to measure ingredients correctly. Film and video editors need to add times to create a program. And of course, a waiter or waitress must be able to total a check. Educators sometimes call them the 3 R's: reading, writing, and arithmetic. They don't all start with R's, but that's how they sound. And that brings up 2 more basic skills: listening and speaking. If you can listen carefully and speak well, you can make a good impression that can take you a long way.